Good morning, Las Vegas. It's another day in paradise in sunny Las Vegas. We are so jazzed that we live here. That's all I can say, right? We're just happy we live here. Um, my went to the dentist yesterday. And the hygienist was a new hygienist that came from San Jose, and they've been here since September. And she just absolutely, she should be on the Chamber of Commerce. She loves Las Vegas so much. The no smog, no traffic. There's just so many things that she compared that lifestyle to this lifestyle, and it just gives me energy and oxygen when I hear people that just love us. Good morning, Karen. So happy to see you. You know, I'm grateful for all of you. So grateful. I want to just shout out to all the people that watch me, how grateful I am. I do this for you. I do this because I have energy, I have enthusiasm, and I have desire to help everybody. And there is so many things. I could do this till I am 120. There's so much information to share with you. And I love going on other places and aggregating it and putting it in my style and putting it out to you. And I hope that everybody's benefiting. And every once in a while, give me a love or a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ruthie Rocks. And away we go today. We have 137 homes you listed yesterday. Our inventory back down a half a day. We're down to almost 25 days, but we're still 26. Thank you, Karen. I appreciate you so much. Believe me. Thank you. Thank you. That makes me feel good. Believe me. And we had, let's see, let me look at yesterday. Yesterday we had 3,346 available single homes. So we've dropped down to 3,318. And I'm seeing this month as a little bit of a trend, if you will. And also I have the median home price of 405. It went up, and it actually, as of yesterday, it's up to 405.5. But I'm not going to post that yet. I'm going to wait till maybe Monday. I can't do it every day. I mean, I could, but it fluctuates a lot. Anyway, we are selling 106 homes a day, which is amazing. Last year we were doing 85, which wasn't bad for the pandemic, was it? No, a lot of people were moving and grooving. We only inched up a couple in the non-owner occupied sales, so that's good, dispelling all the rumors that the hedge funds are taking over. They're not. We listed 49 single family homes yesterday under 400,000. And we have 1,039 single family homes under 400,000 that are active. So lots of, and again, the turnover is good, because when you have turnover, then you have your buyers have new things to look at. So I'm always jazzed when we list more than 100 single family homes a day, because that's 100 new homes that people get to look at. Now the $1 million market's still doing about 4.5 deals a day, which is fantastic compared to last year. They did 1 3/4. So that market is moving. And I noticed, like John markets to Red Rock Country Club where we live, and I do the stats for him for his postcard and his mailing that he does religiously. And I noticed there was like not that many sales last month here, and not that many listings here. So it could be the summertime. People going on vacation, getting kids ready for school. But I'm anxious to see what's going to happen in the fall, coming after Labor Day, to see what happens to our market. I think that's going to let us know where we're headed, maybe through 2022. But we'll see. Just my thoughts. I did on the stats, I did the $400,000 sales price with 10% down. I told you that yesterday. And that you can't see it on the screen because I've got my crawler on, but that's about $1,515 principal and interest, $66 in insurance, property taxes $263, and so that's about $1,700 for your payment, and we're still below that rent. Hey, good morning. Where's Frank this morning? I think who is that? Is that Annetta? Tell me who you are, because Facebook doesn't do it in the group for some reason. All the time. Sometimes they do. Anyway, lots of exciting things to share with you today. I want to talk about, email. Email's still good. Good morning. There you are, Frank. You were hiding from me. Hi, Frank. Good to see you. Good morning. So email, we're going to talk about email today. And email is still very important. I know that if you're a real estate agent or you have a business, you get flooded with emails. I heard Gary Vee say he gets he said he gets thousands of emails every day. And they have a team that goes through them and answers the ones that are not just marketing and spam and things like that. And you can opt out of things and they come back. However, the normal consumer person doesn't get that many. So you have to understand that. So to